Hey peeps, welcome to another video. Today it is the pairing up of the KB Pattern Swap Christmas 2018 edition partners. That is a mouthful. So there are 42 people who have entered, not including me. So I have put my name in twice because I want to take part, and obviously we can't have an odd number. So 2 of you lucky people will be getting to send me presents and I will be getting to send you presents, which is very exciting. So I have written down everybody's names, I have written down their social media handles, and I've also written down which country they're from, because we have 17 people from the US and then the remaining 27 people are from all over the world, including Ireland, the UK, Germany, Lithuania, New Zealand, Australia, and somewhere else, I think. Oh no, the Netherlands. There we go. I knew there was another one. So yes, there are people all over the place. So the only thing that I'm going to try and do is, if I pick out 2 people from the US, I'm going to put the second name back and pick out another one until we get a different country, so that everybody is sending things. And the same with the UK, because there's quite a lot of you from the UK. I'm going to get people trying to send things outside of the country, because we all have our own amazing resources in our countries. For us particularly, you know, indie patterns, for America, the big 4, that kind of thing. So yeah, for Australia you guys have Megan Nielsen patterns, Canada, Victory patterns. You kind of see where I'm going with this. I hope you do anyway. So yes, I'm going to pick out some names, and I have paper clips here. Ooh, but I'm throwing at myself. Where did it go? There it is. Paper clips. I have paper clips here so that I can paper clip people's names together, because last time I was putting them in little piles around me and I ended up with this big pile and I was like, oh god, mustn't get them mixed up. So I'm going to paper clip people's names together. Now, a few little housekeeping rules before we start. I am actually going to put together a spreadsheet this year so that I can keep track of who's partnered with who, when their parcel was sent and when their parcel was received. As I mentioned in the video introducing this, there is a little parcel being held hostage in customs by the police. Jojo, I'm looking at you. So Jojo's not taking part this year. Maybe that experience has scarred her for life. I'm going to keeping track of who's sent what and who's received what, so that fingers crossed we can try and make sure that everybody gets something on time this year. That's the plan. So when you post your parcel, please send me an email with proof of postage on it, and when you receive your parcel, please let me know so that I can tick you off and that I don't have to worry about you or your partner. Right, let's pick out the partners. So the very first one is Nancy, lovely Nancy, and she's actually given her Pinterest because her Instagram is more fitness and makeup related, but the Pinterest is where all the fashion is. So lovely Nancy. Who will you be partnered with? Nancy's in Canada, by the way. So not that one, because that's the US, so that's, you know, fairly close. I mean, I appreciate. Oh, we've got a UK. So you are going to be partnered with the lovely Alice, and Alice's Instagram is stitch_and-ditch. So I'm going to pin those together. Do you see what, you know, thinking ahead. Right, next partnership we have, oh gosh, Hilde from the Netherlands. And your Instagram is hi.hilde. I hope I am saying that correctly. And you're going to be partnered with, now there's a couple of people from the Netherlands, so it's not going to be someone from the Netherlands. It's going to be Katrina, which is KJ Booth from the UK. So you guys are all partnered up. So I'm going to be sending out introduction emails, and you guys sent me a whole bunch of information about patterns that you wanted, allergies, addresses, full names, all that kind of stuff. So I'm going to be copying and pasting each person's details, putting it into an email together and sending out to the 2 of you. So yeah, so our next partnership is Fiona, and that's Tree Worshipper in Oregon, and Fiona's taken part in this a couple of times, and you are going to be partnered with, nope, another US, Sandra French, who is in Australia, and her Instagram is French_Sandra. Okay, so next we have Megan. Oh, Megan's taken part before. I recognised your Instagram handle, which is ES42381, and not that one because US. Doing well at this, aren't I? Hang on. Where's another US? I think that one's a US. I had one person this year who didn't give me the details that I wanted, and it was you, Lola. Yes. So Megan, you are going to be partnered with Jessica in the UK, and Jessica's Instagram is "What is Jessica making today?" That is a mouthful. So I do apologise if I'm like mispronouncing names and things like that, but we all know that's a likely hazard when it comes to me. So, we have Boz from Fabric Magpie, who is in the UK. So, Boz, you will be paired with, oh cool, Kellyanne, who is, Pinterest is Cattle Mutt. And I know Kellyanne makes a lot of bags and things like that, and shows dogs, so has lots of doggy related fabrics. But Kellyanne is in the US. So there's you and Boz together. This is fun, I like this. Okay, Diane, Toil Lady on Instagram. I think you've taken part before, I recognise your name. And you are going to be paired with Caroline, and Caroline's blog is carouselcottagecrafts.com. Caroline's in the UK, so awesome. Right. Next we have Julian, love Julian, and it's Julian underscore cordell on Instagram, and Julian is going to be paired, oh this is going to be interesting. Julian, you're being paired with Duvalet from Lithuania, and I'm not going to pronounce Duvalet's Instagram account because it's her surname, and I've only just learnt to pronounce her first name, and I don't even know if I'm doing that right. But yeah, Julian and Duvalet, you are together. Awesome. Right, let's see. We have Marie, and that is Marie Bedos in the UK. You follow my sew along. You made this dress in the same fabric that I did. I love this. Right, and oh yeah, oh cool, you're partnered with Hannah, which is Hannah Says Sup. She was partnered with Dad last year and sent the most awesome parcel. So Hannah and Marie, you're together. You have to do the little dance. Karen was my partner last year. She spoilt me rotten, and you shall be paired with Pauline Whitaker, which is at middle aged underscore aged underscore adventurer. So Pauline and Karen, you are together. Very cool. Yeah, little picking the thing dance. So we have Judith, which is Ever So Often, and you're going to be partnered with Sarah from the US, and that is Chickface on Instagram. So pin you together. Then we have me. I'm in the UK, and I shall be partnered with, let's hope I don't pull my other name out, because that could be a really sad little partnership, couldn't it? Oh cool, I am partnered with Melanie in New Zealand, which is Shoreline Crafter, and you've taken part in this before, I know you have. So awesome, New Zealand goodies. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna have to reread your in your message and just see what you wanted. That's exciting. Next we have Sarah Jane, and it's Team Patterson in the UK, and you're going to be partnered with Vicky, which is Heartland Knits in the US. Awesome. Pin. Okay, next up, Karma. We have the lovely Karma, which is Karma's a Stitch on Instagram, and you shall be partnered with, not that one, that's the US. You shall be partnered, oh cool, you've got Anna, which is Fuzzy Baby Seals from the UK. Awesome. Okay, next. Aimee, the lovely Aimee. I am going to make my Aimee outfit, don't worry, that is going to happen. And you are going to be partnered with, not that one because she is in the US. You're going to be partnered with, nope, US. Come on, need it on US. Oh, no, they're all coming out of the US. Aha, yay, UK. Oh, cool. Aimee, you are with Kay, who is Crafty Kay on YouTube. And Kay is the lovely lady that sends me patterns from Sunny Nunny. She lives just around the corner from Big Bird. So I hope you two have fun together, Aimee and Kay. Right, next we have Nimue North from Germany, and you shall be partnered with Romy Higgins from the UK. That's Romy Kate on Instagram. Awesome. Romy, you totally need to ask for a Liebkuchen. Just saying. Next we have Joanna, and that's Joanna's Feeling Crafty on Instagram, and she is in Ireland, and we have got you partnered with someone from the US. Yeah, there we go. We are partnered with Jennifer, which is Hand Stitched Life, and Jennifer is in the US, so that is cool. Next we have Caroline, which is Creative Carbaholic. I know you've taken part before, definitely recognise that Instagram name. And you are partnered with Sue, which is sew_spin_knit, and Sue is in Australia. So that's very cool. Again, Megan Nielsen patterns, just saying. Next we have Diane, and it's Diana. Oh, sorry. Next we have Diana, and it's Diana.voermans, and you're from the Netherlands, and you are going to be partnered. You're going to be partnered with Sandy from the US, and it's So What's Fabulous on Instagram. I'm going to pin you two together. Okay, so a few left. So next we have Diane from the UK, and that's Miss Diane on Instagram, and you are going to be partnered with Edna, which is Edna Made. I can't pronounce you. So next, and you're going to be partnered with Edna, and I can't pronounce your surname, so I'm not going to try. So that's Diane from the UK and Edna from the US. Awesome. There's a few names left in there. Let's see how we go. So next we have Dani, which is Pocket or Two from the UK, and you're going to be partnered with Lola, which is So Lolita, and Lola was the lovely lady who didn't give me any of her details, so I think Lola's in the US. I hope so, but you two are together. So we've got 4 names left. 4 names left. Let me just have a look. See, USA, Germany, UK and UK. So 2 UK and Germany and the USA. So first we have Laura, and that's Sewn and Shown, and she is from the UK, and you're going to be partnered with Alicia in the US, and that's InStitches_Kitka. Okay, so we know who the last pairing is. It's Germany and me, and from Germany we have, oh good grief, I can't pronounce your name, I'm so sorry, Dilek, and that's Wish Girl Dreams, and you've got me. Again, I got 2, I'm going to get 2 presents. I'm very excited about this. That is everyone partnered up with somebody from a different country. I'm really pleased that that all worked out, so yay. Right, so get stalking. It's time to have a look at your partner's Instagram. What I've found over the summer was a few people's Instagram weren't very active, or didn't have a lot of their sewing on their Instagram. So I suggested that those people make Pinterest boards for their favourite patterns, or for things they want to try, that kind of stuff, so that they can share, they can make it private and just share it with their partner, and so that their partner can get an idea of what kind of things they like to sew, what sort of things will challenge them, and that sort of thing. So get stalking, have a look. So remember the rules, it's £20 maximum spend, and that is because of import fees, and everybody is sending something to a different country. We have just established that. So please, 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 as generous and as lovely as it is of you guys to go crazy and buy your partner all of the things, if they have to pay to get their parcel, it kind of takes the fun out of it. So please do stick to the £20 spending limit, and you want to be sending your parcels out by the 8th of December at the very, very latest. And as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, please, please, please message me with proof of postage, and then also message me when you receive your parcel from your partner, so that I can tick you off the list and everything's sorted. So I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, please subscribe, and I will see you again very soon. Bye!